Hello, my name is María Alejandría Fajardo. Today I am your touristic guide. Medellin. Let's explore Medellin, a fantastic city in Colombia. It's a place where culture, beauty, and friendly people come together to create unforgettable experience. What to do? In Medellin, there's so much to do. Ward, Tooth, Pueblito Paisa, Catch, Breathing Cane, views from accessible cars, Admiris Court and Plaza Botero, and good for drinks al Parque Years. Travel tips to make the most of your trip. High local street food, hop on the efficient Medellin Metro. Stay ready and not hesitate to try a fusion-based Spanish freestyle for an immersive experience. Superstition. Discover some local belief. If you see dreams flying above locals think it's a sign of good luck, and words a tips avoid gold under ladders to steer clear for bad looks. When to do? When it's time to travel, dry season or for December for March. Avoid rain season for April to May. Where, where to stay? Choose from comfy hotels in El Poblado or cozy guest house laurels to match your preferences and budget during your stay in Medellin. What to eat? Get yourself a bandeja paisa, famous Colombia dish, and treats yourself an sweet form of arequipe. What to drink? Agua panela or guarapo de piña. Traditional drinks like agua panela and guarapo de piña are pineapple beverage loved by locals. Transportation. Get around Medellin is easy with the Medellin Metro, buses, and convenient options like taxis and ride-sharing services. Language, currency, and tippet. Connect with locals by picking and a few basic Spanish phrases. The local currency is the Colombia peso and it's customary to leave a tip, especially in restaurants. Thank you.